So ISA has been working in the sector for a long time. ISA does have MOVE initiative, moving onwards with vehicle electrification. So far, we were working on the supply side to make sure that framework is in place, but now it is the time to promote this adoption and accelerate this adoption. So ISA has launched EV Adopter Circle, and being a part of the circle, you get to contribute India's pledge towards the Paris Agreement for decarbonization. You become a zero emission move initiator, you get the cleaner and convenient transportation. And main objective for this initiative is to promote and accelerate the sustainable and urban rural transportation. ISA team will be working with corporates in transition towards EV fleet, or I would say even XEV fleet, which also include hybrid vehicles, and setting up EV charging infrastructure for their for their employees, customers, goods carrier, and goods delivery. And since we are working with the complete ecosystem, it will be beneficial to be in the circle and get the knowledge. Now, many corporates can pledge immediately. I mean, they are some, Flipkart is one of them, that 100% EV by 2030. It may not be possible for all of the other. So being a part of this EV circle, corporates can pledge very comfortably and reasonably to migrate towards XEV fleet and arrange to provide that EV charging infrastructure in their premise. And it can happen just 10% by 2022, 25% by 2025, and at least 50% by 2030. So we think that this is comfortable and achievable target. So with this membership, as I said, the corporate get featured as an implementer for sustainable transportation initiative. You get to participate in the webinars and networking session. We do conduct even the state-specific roundtables, and incidentally, right now we are doing all these sessions virtually, but eventually we will come out of COVID, and then we will fast track this. So with additional premium membership, ISA does have a analysis tool where battery sizing can be analyzed based on the driving pattern of your fleet, where you are located, whether you are at the high altitude, low altitude. So all such analysis can be done. Dashboard representation is there, and which shows that power versus altitude and how much power is used. So even this initiative can help even OEMs to design their new vehicles based on the requirement of the corporates. So once again, with ISA's network, with the complete ecosystem, we request all the corporates to join EV Adopter Circle and join us to make this change.